entryway. Fold out seat for your shoe putting on thing. Sink room. Shower space. Toilet room. Note the bidet. They're in public restrooms everywhere. Yeah, what do we got? Empty fridge. An espresso. There's like 5 channels on this crap TV. That is the hotel room. It's in here. Full on outfits. It's supposed to be a nice public hot spring place here, but Japan doesn't like tattoos in their public spaces. So the guy gave me skin colored duct tape for my tattoos. Yeah, no.